Driving lessons Headingley. Are you fed up of getting buses or relying on other people to get from A to B? Are you ready to take control of the wheel and hit the open road? Looking for expert driving lessons that will give you the skills and confidence you need to become a safe and competent driver. Experienced and friendly instructors will guide you through everything, from basic skills to advanced techniques, tailoring each lesson to your specific needs and learning style. You'll soon be cruising confidently, ready to take on any driving challenge that comes your way. When test day comes, you will have the skills and knowledge you need to pass with flying colors. So why wait? Book your driving lessons today and start your journey to becoming a safe, confident driver. Call 07480488243.